Hello, this is Dr. Jing. I'm working with TCM Healing Center, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a herbal tea. First of all, you need a pack of herbs, which is will provide for you. Second, we need a wooden chopstick. Third, we need a clean coffee mug or glass jar. And number 4, we need a kettle to boil in water and a pair of scissors. Prior to make herbal tea, everyone take mindfulness, put a good intention and positive thoughts to believe that herbal tea prescribed to aid your health and the healing process. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to pick up the plastic from brown bag, and usually each prescription contains 10 to 16 herbal small package. Take all the tea bag off. You can speed up the process. Put 4 or 5 in one motion. Cut. Then empty all the package. Continue repeat until complete. Open them up. Then you need a wooden chopstick to mix dry powder well. Now we need to add 3 to 6 ounces boiling water. Then continue stir. If you don't like too thick, you can add more water. The whole process possible take you about 2 minutes. And please feel free to continue to bring good intention and a prayer to helping you enhance your healing. So now all the tea complete dissolved, no residue left. The tea not supposed to add any honey or sweetener in the tea. So now you wait the tea to complete cool down as you preferred temperature, so you can drink it. Please do not drinking right after hot water to avoid burning your tongue. After you drink your tea, you may have like a residue in the taste. So you can use the little bit of sweetener, quite dry fruit or fresh fruit, or drinking cup water, or just drinking like a sugar-free candy. It's optional to make the rest of the taste better. So if the tea made prescribed for cold or antiviral, please do not take later day. So you're supposed to take in the morning time to avoid the minimal disruption and the sleep, and at nighttime have too much energy. Otherwise, you can drink in a consistent time as you preferred. If you have any question, please call our office front desk. So I'll be happy to answer your question. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye.